Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove your personal data from Claude. So to get started, sign into Claude as I've done so here, and we're going to want to navigate to the settings menu. To find the settings menu, simply go click on your profile icon at the bottom left hand side of your screen and then click on settings. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is to reset all the memory that Claude has generated about you. And to access that, we simply have to go to the Capabilities tab, which you can find here. Once you're in the Capabilities tab, you're going to see an option here called Generate Memory from Chat History. If you go ahead and turn that off, you're going to see two options. And what we're interested in is the second one. As you can see, there's an option here to reset the memory, which will permanently delete all the memories, including project memories. So doing this should remove all of your personal data that Claude has generated. If we go ahead and click here on manage memory, as you can see, Claude has generated a sort of profile about me that it uses when generating a response. So for some people, this can be helpful, and for some people, they would rather not have their personal data on the internet. So if you'd like, you can go ahead and
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish AI tutorials regularly, helping you guys to learn and to use the latest AI tutorials. And so if you're finding these videos helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below so that you'll never miss out when we release future videos to come. Now let's continue.
manually delete this, or you can reset your memory by clicking on this button here. Another thing you can do is to go to your privacy tab and start turning off the types of data that is shared with Claude, such as your location. As you can see, it's already on right now. And then here, help improve our AI models. And what this does is it allows Claude to access your chats, although anonymously, and use that for training data. So if you'd like, you can also turn these off so that the next time you use Claude, pretty much everything will be kept confidential. And the last thing you can do to get rid of your personal data is to totally wipe your Claude account. And if you'd like to do that, go back to your settings menu, go to account, and as you can see, you have an option here to permanently delete your account. So that's definitely the most extreme option out of all the three I've shown you, but it's good to know that it's there. That's pretty much it though for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.